Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're building or upgrading a gaming PC and you're looking for fast DDR5 memory, the Corsair Vengeance 32GB DDR5 RAM kit is definitely worth checking out. This kit comes with 32GB of total memory, using two 16GB modules. For modern gaming PCs, that's a very useful capacity because it gives you plenty of memory for gaming, multitasking, browsers, Discord, and other applications running in the background. But capacity isn't the only thing that matters. This kit is rated for speeds of up to 6000 MHz, with a CL30 timing. That combination is particularly interesting for gamers and PC builders who want fast memory with relatively low latency. Pause. One of the biggest advantages of this particular kit is its compatibility with both major desktop platforms. It supports AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0, making it a flexible option whether you're building an AMD Ryzen system or an Intel-based gaming PC. Keep in mind, though, that advertised memory speed is an overclocked profile. Your actual speed depends on your motherboard, processor, BIOS settings, and platform compatibility. For installation, you simply place the two DIMMs into the appropriate motherboard slots and enable the supported memory profile in BIOS if you want to run them at their rated settings. Pause. The 32GB capacity also makes this kit suitable beyond gaming. If you're editing photos, working with multiple applications, streaming, programming, or simply someone who likes having a lot of browser tabs open, additional memory headroom can make the overall system experience more comfortable. And the Vengeance design has a relatively clean appearance, making it suitable for both gaming-focused builds and more understated PC setups. Of course, if you're using a system that doesn't support DDR5, this RAM isn't compatible. And if your motherboard or CPU can't properly support the 6000 MHz profile, you may not get the full rated speed. But for a compatible DDR5 gaming system, the combination of 32GB capacity, 6000 MHz speed, CL30 latency, AMD Expo, and Intel XMP 3.0 support makes this a very attractive memory kit. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance DDR5 32GB 6000 MHz CL30 is a strong choice for gamers and PC builders looking for a balance of capacity, speed, latency, and platform flexibility. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more PC hardware reviews. I'll see you in the next video.